Good evening, friends. How are you all? Hope you are doing good. Today we are in the farm and we are here to debate because one day I thought when I started to learn English because I wanted to improve my English and we thought that we should debate and that's why we are here today and we are going to debate on this topic. The topic is city versus village life, which is better to our life. Like I am in the village, I live in village, and he lives in city. If you know which city, so if you don't know, so I am going to tell you he lives in Badot. This is city. And if I talk about myself, so my name is Nurdin, and I have been learning English since last 1 year. So now I am going to take it to my friend. Then after that he would tell something about himself. Then after that we would debate.
Hello guys, here I'm going to tell you something about myself. My name is Happy, and here I'm going to tell you something about myself. My name is Happy. I'm from Badot, and today we are debating on village life and city life. And today let's start the debate. Okay, what do you know about village? You are the you are in the favor of village.
If I talk about village life, because I am living in village, that's why I am in the favor of it. So first of all, the first point is if you are living in village, you would have many facilities, like you would have a good air. And if I talk about some crops, if you are living in city, you may do work there and you can eat a very pure vegetable. Like if I talk about some carrots and
City.
not, I am saying village.
You are talking about.
No, I said in village. In village life, you have many opportunities like this way. And if you are living in village, you would feel good and you would not have stress.
Okay.
So that was my point.
Yeah. Okay, if you want to do good education, you would have to go city because village in the village does not provide good education compared to city. If you want to take a coaching center, well coaching center, you should join there. You should choose best coaching center in city, but in village don't provide it. How can you say like this? Village is better. Village only they have a good air. I know about they have a good environment, culture in this facility. I know.
Okay, let me tell you one thing. As you mentioned earlier, if you want to have a good coaching center and you would not have a good coaching center in village, but if I talk about my village, there is. And if you want to have a good coaching center, there would be not any coaching center but many people who are teacher and they are teaching well.
Yes.
If you want to study, you can study there. And if I talk about if you can't go in somewhere, like if you are living in village, you can take subscription on online. Many people are providing these facilities.
Okay, if I talk about village, village does not provide degree college. But if you go in city, city has city has a degree college. You can you can pursue your degree there. But in village does not have this facility. You can join village. Okay. Sorry, you can join city if you don't have. In village does not have degree college. You can join it.
Okay, let me tell you one thing. If you want to pursue your degree and you said you have to go to city, but you can take online and you can take private, then after that you would not need to go there daily basis. And many cities, they don't have, there doesn't have any uh, coaching center or any degree college. So what about that? And where do they go? They have to go somewhere else, other city.
No, nowadays every city has degree college and best inter college. If I talk about private college, city has many private college there. They provides good quality. Your student, if you are a student, you can you can take you can take class there. If you don't have any much money, if you don't have too much money, you cannot join there. But you are from village, that's why.
Let me tell you one thing. If you are living in city, you have to spend lots of money there if you are living in city. And if I talk about village, if you are living in village, you would not have to spend that much money. Like if you are going to purchase some queries and you are living in city, you have to spend that much money to purchase those things. And if I talk about in village, if you want to purchase some things, you would not have to spend that much money.
Firstly, city has hospital facilities, many types of hospital facility, but in village does not have this type of facility. Suppose you are a sick, where would you go? You would go city. If you don't have your village good doctor, you could go there.
Let me tell you one thing. If you are feeling under the weather,
Yes.
so you don't know, I think every village has many doctor and they can treat you easily.
But village doctor, uh, not a professional doctor. I think they are compounders like this.
Okay,
But if you, if I talk about village, village have yes, yes, village have many types of doctor. Village, sorry, city has sorry, city has MBBS doctor, many types of doctor. And if you would city, you can see everything there.
let me tell you one thing. If you are living in village and you are feeling under the weather, first of all, the first opportunity would you have, you would have, you can hire a doctor and he will treat you. And if I talk about hospital, you have to go there. And if I talk about in village, and if I talk about in doctor, doctor can come your home and he can treat you at your home. And if you are very serious, at that time you can hire a ambulance and ambulance come from the city. Then after that, it would take to you and it would provide you in hospital. Then after that you would be joined there.
Okay. If I talk about village, village does not have a good uh, job option, but city has a good job option. City provide you many types of job. You can join private sector, you can join government sector there. If you do study well, you can join easily there. But in village you cannot do these things. If you are a student, if you are a student, you cannot do any work in your village. If you want to do your work and if you want to grow your work, you would have to go. Yes, you would have to go uh, city. That's why.
Let me tell you one thing. As you mentioned earlier, those things. So those things do not work everywhere.
Yes.
So what do you want to say about it?
What kind of thing do you want to know about me?
What you mentioned? What all you mentioned?
What kind of? Okay, I am talking about job.
Yeah.
Yes, and village has many people's jobless. How can they they do? How can they do job in village? they have to go in city. That's why after that they can do a job.
Let me tell you one thing, as you mentioned earlier related to job, to some you gave me some point. So the first point is, as you mentioned, who is not studying properly, and they can work somewhere. But if I talk about village, and if you are living in village and you could not study properly, you can work in the farm, and every person has this type of facilities related to farms. They can work there, and they can work in with laborer, means mazduri. They can do this work, yes. And if I talk about city, if you could not study properly, you would not, you would have to face many problems, and no one will provide you a job.
Okay, if you want to become a big businessman, where would you like to go? You should go city if you want to become a big person, because there is many opportunity for you. You can you can you can join a library, you can join other things, you can eat well there. But in village you cannot join anything, because you can live only there, you can go there, you can come there. That's the thing behind it if you are in village.
Let me tell you one thing, if you want to eat something, if you are eating in city, you, they would provide you very bad things. They would mix. And if I talk about milk, if you are living in city, you would not drink pure milk. Yes. And if I talk about in village, if you are living in village, you would uh, drink pure milk.
Okay, pure milk.
Yes, this is the right question.
Yes, this is the right city provide mix milk.
Yes.
But
They use powder.
yes, they used to powder, but in village has a pure milk. I know about it, but it's depend on village. How? Let me tell you, they provide their water. They mix water there in village, and after that they supply in the city. Is the reason behind it.
But the question is, if you are living in city, I know many village people mix the water in the milk, but they have to do this work, because if they will not mix water, it would be kharab hona, how to say? It would be bad. That's why they mix water in the milk. And if I talk about city, if when milk uh, serve in the city, then after that, who is living in city and who is providing the milk, he applied the powder and something else like water, he mixed in that, then after that he sell
He sells.
the home. So let's finish it.
Yes, guys. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching this session. If you liked this video, must subscribe this channel, must like this video.
If you want to